Hello, how are you? I hope you are good. Please like and subscribe and share if you are coming here first time. This one is mesh tool. This is related to about gradient. I give you first example of simple gradient. Yes, this one is simple gradient. You can change the color from this one, and the one gradient you can add two colors. Even you can add more and more colors, but this one is linear gradient and in simple ways. But other side, mesh tool has some more options. So I am here just giving you an example. Mesh tool is like working select selection tool. So we can change the options from this, and even you can change the shape from mesh tools. So what I have to do, so just and take direct selection tool, then you can take mesh tool and control press, then you can select one part, and you want to add more lines in the one object, just go to here and you can see the cursor has changed. Just click and you can add one line. So if I add the color in this like this, then you can see here the color change and here also color change. So this color is spreading this side because here is the color one another color. So if you want to add the color this one in one line, so you have to do just this and just this. So select this and take this one and change the colors. Now you can see this is a simple line in your object. So you can see the main difference. And we add the mesh here and giving a one more color. Yes, now you can see the difference. Even you can change this cursor point and add here one more color. So yes, now you can see the difference. Here is the color changed and here also changed, and here is the also changed. Just take this one and select this one and you can change the side of your color. So if you want to make a border of any object, you can make easily. So I am here giving you example just this one, and add the mesh from here. And if you want to take a line from one side like this side, just press on it and you can take line. And if I press here, then this is the second line. So if you want to add two colors in one place, you can do this. Here I am doing just to make a border, so I press one line. So now you select the color. You can select multiple points with direct selection tool with shift, and this is the best tool for selection many points. You can use lasso tool. Just do this, that shown clearly. So So yes, you can see this is the border of your object. I am trying a here mango. Just take direct selection tool and select this and change the some positions from here and also and select this one and so now we add the mesh in this. Just select this. First we add the color here and here. Take direct selection tool and click on mesh. With control you can add select this one and change the color. So I am going here some this one color and select this. So this looks like good. So we add a just take anchor point and we change the color this one. We add the mesh in this. Just take mesh tool. So we add the light in this part. Yes. Now in here we add the and same the bottom part. So this looks like some good. This one. So we change the size of artboard. Just click this and increase the artboard size from here. Now take the line segment tool and click here and adjust the stroke size. So take direct selection tool and reduce the size. So this one is completed. We stop here. I hopefully you can understand this one. Please like and subscribe and share if you are coming here first time. Thank you.